Hi, I'm Leslie Wallace. One of the biggest frustrations people face isn't learning something new, it's trying to remember it later when they actually need it. Most education stops at the lesson. You take notes, you complete the class. Then real life happens, then the clients show up, the bills show up, the contracts show up. And suddenly you're trying to remember what you learned and where you put everything. That's why we built Clarity Command, not just as an educational platform, but as a command center, a place where learning, tools, portals, dashboards, workflows, and next actions come together in one system, just one. Because the goal isn't just understanding, the goal is being able to run what you've learned. In the next few minutes, I'll show you how Clarity Command helps you turn scattered information into operational clarity. Be blessed.